Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your hyperlink for Mercari. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you sell individual items on Mercari, and maybe perhaps you have family members or friends who might be interested in what you're selling. How do you actually go ahead and find your hyperlink on Mercari? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Mercari. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Now, on the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see an upwards arrow. Click on the upwards arrow on the upper right-hand corner, and then this is where you're going to be able to share your profile. So click on Copy Link, and then if we go into our notepad here, space it out, and then we're just going to paste that link. You can see now that we have our hyperlink pasted here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your hyperlink on Mercari app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.